is the inside of LMR 400. So, can't really see it that good. I thought it would shoot good because but I don't know if that outer shield's supposed to be copper or not. But as you can see, that's one solid chunk of copper in the center. No wonder why this shit's so stiff. But this was their factory end, and it didn't even solder to this. So, what a bummer. No wonder why it didn't, my receive was down. I wonder if the other end's like that. You don't trust anybody. I guess if you want it done, you have to do your own freaking ends. So, I'll get back with you when I get it back on there.